Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check the speed of network card. Right-click network icon. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Ethernet. Click Change Adapter Options. Right-click, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Advanced tab. Select Speed and Duplex. This network card minimum speed is 10 Mbps and maximum speed is 1 Gbps. Click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.